I'm just here by a town and chilling a bit. It's only the first town now. Of course, my little car is overloaded and stuff. But like propaganda. Like propaganda is like a one-sided thing. They upload to YouTube. I don't know. It's ridiculous. Like, I don't know how many hours a minute, like insane. And where is it? Like, for example, like people in Venezuela, like to get their perspective, like what's going on there, or like this Ukraine war. You just see Ukrainians killing Russians, and apparently they are destroying them. You can't believe anything there, because I think the reality is like Russia is winning them, but you don't see that perspective. And people spread this like, and what is animosity? Like, if you're anonymous, like that riots in America, like that ICE people, like if you are anonymous, what then you can do like whatever you want. And it's the same with the protesters. It's the same with like commentators, like watch like people on channels like comment and stuff, or the channel is faceless and anonymous, and they can push whatever they want. And this Trump derangement syndrome. I watched this thing of some guys, apparently like a professional body language interpreter or whatever, ex-FBI, CIA, whatever. And he says, like, in that whole thing, because he's got an agenda, like everybody has it. If you're like left, you'll see things in a left agenda, right in a right agenda, agenda. But he says like the guy took the gun off him, but he didn't do that. So obviously he's right, like on the right, saying the guy was shot unarmed. But yeah, or something, I don't know, but that's not what happened. Yeah. It is exhausting. It's exhausting. Politics and bullshit is exhausting.